Wetin be your name?
My name na Bazuaye.
Bros, abeg that side where you go, I want me you explain give our country people wetin be the experience where you face for that place.
All right. Yeah, my experience, my past experience, I will tell our country people, especially the youth. I don't advise any of them make they try that route because so many things they happen, and I will let them know to make anybody not deceive them because they not they tell them the truth. You understand? They only tell them the truth, and they only tell them say wetin those they call the burger. That's what they carry people from here go. So most of them they only they tell you the sweet side of it. You understand? By the time you reach road, you don't give them like 500,000 naira like me. Now my friend with the Europe, we still follow through that land. I tell me say man, make I enter road. I don't give anybody money. So he just introduce me to somebody. I just pay gradually they go like that. You understand? So I reach successful. You understand? So but now water inside the sea for motor. Now they return my our boat. You understand? So as we go, we see other people like one of the healers when I won't pass for road, see for road. There be 33. Now only 2 guests that survive. The remaining 30, I be 31. The rest of them die. So many other things they happen. Like our own healers who enter. One girl that night will move around 2 a.m. in the morning. You know, one girl say she want to change her pad. She just excuse herself from the crowd. Make she just better and change her pad. And the girl, that's so we see the girl reach. She just lost for desert. As they call her reach, you understand. So things they have for there, like if you reach Gatron, which is the first city through Niger. When you reach Gatron, you don't pay money, or you call person they carry the go, you don't pay. From there, they fit kidnap you. They do human trafficking, where they sell people. Human be the price, human be as the price cloth for market. You understand? So I go advise most of our country people, especially the youth, make them not try and that 500,000 naira or 700,000 naira where you want carry enter road. At least if you start this fish farming or this poultry farming, at least within a year or 6 months, you know you go know where you dey. So that the advice I get from my country people be that.
Bros, how you take survive for that side? Wey be say all these bad things wey you mention so say they happen to people wey they go that side. How you can't say happen wey be say e no sup for your side?
Although for my side it's soft, but our God just do am. The way I take comot, it's different from the other person take comot, and a different connection. You understand? So like me when I comot, anywhere I reach, I'll call them for ask me they send money enter so account. So that's why I take enter. You understand? So some people they go they pay the money cash. Most of them they pay the money cash for Nigeria before they come up for us. Some they pay the money cash before they come up for us. Once they collect the money, when they reach the first city for Lybia, which is Gatron, and from there they sell those people. You understand? From Gatron to Sabah, from Sabah they go place like Tripoli, which is the capital city for Lybia. Then from Sabah, if you can go like Suprata. Like we get Suprata 1, that's where they do this pushing, where they carry for the enter sea, the cross. So now just God see they do it for all of us. Like me now when they hold us for motor, they return the boats, follow through Tunis. So when we confirm dry land for Lybia, so as we reach the carry us go prison. Like we stay 3 months and 2 weeks. The prison, I believe the prison was past this White House with the year. Believe me. You understand? No food for one eat and once a day till tomorrow morning. So you're there for like 3 months. From there, before we can dig fence. Because for their place, their foundation not solid like this our own. So we can't dig fence, come out from the other side. And through that fence we escape. Before UN and IOM call the bust other camps. You understand? So like that.
Wetin you dey do for a year before you come out? Wetin be the work wey you dey do before you come out for this side?
I be builder. Yeah.
This one where you come back now, wetin be the work where you get for plan say you won't start to do as you don't come back to Edo State so?
The work I want start to do, I'll still go back to my normal work. You understand? Now, I see go back to
As you come back, so you see wetin our governor dey do. Wetin you get for mind? How you take be for your body as you come back this year? So.
all right. You know, like when we dey Libya, before we dey come, like when we dey Libya airport for the deport us, like this IOM, you know, they make understand say if we reach our various states, say our governor, say they get packaging for us. So with wetin I dey see around here now, I believe say man, way forward go dey, and I believe say the things wey we wan do for the youth for those states, I know say for me I will still benefit from those things.